Welcome to Spot on SharePoint, Metadata and You, Module 6, Creating and Using Views. Views can be used in your lists and document libraries to look at your information in different ways. You can group content by one or more values, filter to show only specific information, link views to your home page for quick access, and create more than one view in each location. This provides a centralized repository for information while still allowing you to filter out to what is specifically important to a given set of users. You can have both public and personal views. Public views are created by the administrator and are often called business views. They can be set in different ways, such as by a date attribute, a particular metadata value, a calculated column, or filtering. Personal views can be created by a user to further filter an existing view and show specific information that's relevant to them. Views are an important part of how you organize and display information for your users. Let's take a look at some examples. In our sample library, the default view is by department, grouping contents by that value. If I click on the View panel, I can see there's also All Documents, which is an ungrouped grid view great for administration and filtering. To add a new view, click the cogwheel and select Library Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select Create Views. I like to start from the All Documents view because it has all of my custom fields. Give your view a name. In this case, we're going to create the Finance and Accounting view, filtering to only finance content. Decide which fields you want to show in your view. Since we're filtering on department, I'm not going to bother adding that to the view. I'll go into the filter and say only show items when department is equal to finance, and then expand the grouping section and group my content by my reference. I stopped using my document type, and I think I do want that in my view, so I'll remove reference and add doc type. Once I'm done, I can say OK, and I'll immediately be brought to my new view, Finance and Accounting, which has grouped my content by reference and only items where the department is equal to finance. From the View pane, I can go back to by department. Let's create a personal view. We'll start by filtering on reference and choose a couple items that are relevant to us that we want to filter on. This will allow us to come to this view in the morning and not have to see the other content. It shows me right at the top of the screen what my filters are, and I can see by the asterisks that I've made changes to the view that have not been saved. By selecting Save View As, I can give my view a name. As an administrator, I could make a public view, but I want it to be private. A private view can't be seen by anyone else. I'm the only one who will see it when I come in the morning, and I can switch between it and the other views that my administrator has provided for me. This allows me to get exactly what I need without having to have it custom and cluttering other people's space. I can continue filtering on as many fields as I want until I have only the information I'm looking for. I can filter and save to a view, or just filter and work with the content, depending on what I need to do. The system will always show you all your filters. Now let's look at how an administrator can make it easy for people to access the views we create. I'm going to collect the URL for my Finance and Accounting view, and I'm going to go to the home page of my site. I already have a link to by department, so I'm going to click the Edit button in the top corner and click Add Links to my Quick Links app, which I've placed on my page. I'm going to select From Link and paste the link right to the specific view I want to see. The system will pop up the information pane, and I'll just clean up the name of the view. We don't need that .aspx at the end. Depending on your preference, you can choose an icon or a custom image for the link. Since all my links are images, I'll choose that and upload one from my desktop. This is going to allow me to give a look and feel to my link that meets with what I want and my users' expectations. Once I've selected the item, I can add image and it will automatically be added to the links available on my site. Once I republish the page, this change is available for everyone. Now, if I click on my Training Example Documents link, that's going to open up the sample library in the By Department view. But if I go back to the home page and I click on Finance and Accounting, it's going to open the same library, but in the Finance and Accounting view. We hope this video has helped show you how you can use views to enhance your SharePoint site and ensure your users have quick and easy access to what they need. Contact us to learn more. We want to hear from you.